everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some disposable gloves. They are by the brand GMG, and I will actually be linking where you can actually purchase these down in the description box below. I don't know if you've noticed, but gloves have went up. They are so expensive. This was actually really affordable. I actually did get them for my husband. He uses these for oil change. We use them all the time for church and stuff too, like when we're serving food, so they're really good for that. I did get the size extra large, but I probably should have got a large because my husband said that he wears a large, but he'll still be able to wear these. But they're really, really good to have around. So I'm sorry, I am not feeling good. I've been sick. Yesterday I was so sick I couldn't do anything, so I'm getting a little behind on my reviews and just trying to get by. Okay, this keeps coming off. So you just open it right here, just like that, and then the gloves come out, and they're just like really thick, like doctor gloves. Just really, really good quality. I wear a size small, and as you can see, they fit me pretty good. So this is an extra large, so you could wear from like a size small to like an extra large person can wear these. Like, they fit me pretty good. They're not like too tight. They actually fit me perfect. So they are smooth down here, and then they are a little textured where the fingers are so that you can get a grip when you grab onto stuff. But really, really highly recommend these, especially these days with everybody getting sick. Like, I'm sick right now and I'm like touching all over these gloves that my husband's going to use, but he's sick too. So yeah, but these are good quality. Like I said, if you are looking to buy some gloves, like I will link them down in the description box below. It's a really good deal. And yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.